So hello and welcome to FL Mixologist. Today we've got another box. So let's have a look. What have we got in here? Got my trusty Stanley knife. Okay, so somebody that sent me something. So let's put this address out for everyone to see. Okay, so let's have a look. What have we got here? Okay. Oh, very well packed. Awesome, finally. So this is a carb that has been well packed. You've got the carb here, a fuel line here, but the box is protected and the carb is protected within the box. Thank you very much to whoever sold this to me. Okay, this is a fuel line, so I think I know what it is. This is a 4150 carb, so it's going to be a double pumper. And again, this is a brilliant job. The seller has done a brilliant job in packing this bottle. And ta-da! Wow, this looks pretty neat. So look, there is some epoxy in there. So let's run down this. Unfortunately, this bit corroded. This might be, do you know what? This might be a trigger for like a nitrous oxide system or something like that. Okay, so I don't know if I've done a 4150 before in the channel. So this is the good old Holley, what we call the double pumper. Why? Because it has two accelerator pumps, one for the primary and then for the secondary is there. So I note that, whoa, so this carb is got nearly a 1-to-1 ratio. So this has been modified, yeah, it has been modified here to accept this. So basically what it is that, yeah, so you got very little play here. So generally in a double pumper you can open them up to about here and this will be shut, and then you get kind of the full bananas and you'll be able to open it up there. I can see a lot of shims here. So this might be a question that there might have been some air leaks or something, so I need to investigate that further. It is a two-corner idle carb. Don't know where all this material is there for, so I need to just give it a bit of an investigation. But you know, the basis is all there. The throttles are a bit corroded, so they'll need a bit of attention. And I can confirm now that this is a 650 CFM. Now, the difference between a 600 and a 650 is that the 650's got a 750 CFM base plate, and I might have to show you a bit of a close-up, but there is a step here between the carb and the base plate. So that means that this is a 650 carb. So basically what I do sometimes when I modify carburetors, what I tend to do is I tend to machine the body so that it accepts a bigger base plate. It's a very common kind of old school sort of modification. So this is a 650 CFM carb in relatively goodish nick. The only problem is here. I don't know if you can see here. Sorry, somebody has mucked about with the air correctors, so that is something that's going to need a bit of attention, because if not, that means that the car is not going to run right but I might have, you know, 1 or 2 tricks up my sleeve to be able to get this running. So I'll show you later what those tricks are.